Is that what I think it is? What?
Ice cream! I gotta get some money! Mom!
Boy, I swear, man, why are you so loud? What you want?
Mom, I need $2 for that ice cream truck out there.
Please. Boy, you do not need no ice cream. Get on out of here.
No, look, Mom, there's no time for no. That ice cream truck about to leave.
Man, what did I just say?
I see you driving away. Come on.
Boy, get out of my room. I gotta find something.
There's gotta be something in here.
It appears there's no time left.